Your roof is critical in protecting you and your family from the elements and keeping your home comfortable. When your roof needs repairs, you need an expert team you can trust. Hallman Roofing has been providing expert roofing installation in Wilmington, North Carolina. Our skilled professionals specialize in different roofing services, using only the highest quality materials and techniques. This ensures that your new roof is beautiful, durable, and long-lasting, a valuable investment in your home. Whether you need a new roof due to damage or age, we'll work with you to choose the best materials for your home and budget. At Hallman Roofing, we take pride in our work and are committed to providing our customers with exceptional service. We'll work tirelessly to ensure your new roof is installed quickly and efficiently, so you can enjoy your home with peace of mind. We'll keep you informed every step of the way and work with you to find the best solutions for your roofing needs. Don't let roofing issues put a damper on your home. Contact us at 910-228-7641 to schedule a consultation. Or visit our website at www.hallmanroofing.com/roofing-installation to browse our past projects. At Hallman Roofing, you'll experience the quality and expertise that sets us apart.